to start your investing into your Airbnb business but don't know how, keep watching for more tips. Other people's money. It's one of my favorite ways to get funding, right? So I'm gonna give you an example of how it works. So get you a business credit card, right? And get you a high credit limit. I would say let's say $3,000. Get you a credit card with $3,000 and use that to cover your overhead costs and all your total expenses for your first month of your Airbnb. Then you have 30 days to pay that amount back, right? That's enough time. That you want to see, keep watching. Or you want to start, my favorite method is called rinse and repeat. Now let me give you guys a quick example. So property number one, the rent will be $2,400 with total expenses. The profit will be $10,000 and the net profit will be $7,600 a month, right? So how does that sound, generating over $7,000? It will be $2,200 a month with total expenses. The profit will still be the same, $10,000 a month, and the net profit will be $7,800. So with both properties, every single month, you will be generating $15,000, over $15,000.